TIMOS and treats. We've got a twofer.
Yeah, a twofer, because they're both ways to invest in timberland. So TIMOS are Timberland, not timber, Timberland investment management organizations, and treats are Timberland real estate investment trusts.
So what's the difference? What do they do?
Two big differences. TIMOS, first of all, don't own property. They don't own the land. They are like registered investment advisors for Timberland. So they run Timberland inside of separately managed accounts, typically for larger institutions, pension plans. Harvard and Yale will hire these guys to go out and buy the land, manage the land, and sell off the trees over a period of years.
And so the treats then actually do own the land?
Well, the pension plan or the investment company that is putting the money in will own it, but the TIMO will manage it for the separate account holder.
But the treat?
Oh, the treat. I'm sorry. Yes, the treats do own it. So this is like a regular real estate investment trust, except it specializes in timber. And there are 4 or 5 publicly traded treats out there. And it's a very interesting way for the retail investors to get involved because, of course, there is no entity level taxation, and which is great. And also, obviously, the shares trade on an exchange, so they're liquid.
So I guess you really can grow your portfolio with TIMOS and treats and timber. I mean, what are the reasons investors stock up on these things?
There are several really powerful reasons why, which is why timberland really became a very serious asset class for institutional investors over the last 30 years. One, of course, is that the trees are growing and you can cut them and sell them off. So you're getting regular, nice income without any duration risk that you have in bonds. 2 is historically timberland is a great inflation hedge. And 3 is that it's truly uncorrelated to your other asset classes, or about as uncorrelated as anything gets. So those are 3 really strong reasons.
And some people look at it as a forward indicator for housing and demand for the economy. Certainly new home sales in focus today.
Absolutely. So you can make this play as a way of getting into the housing rebound, because wood is not being replaced as a building supply material. The only flip side, of course, is timber is cyclical, and so you have things like newspapers going out of business that are using a lot less trees these days.
All right.